quit smoking using patches and say goodbye to addiction. When you stop smoking cold turkey, or abruptly, this can sometimes produce adverse effects on the brain and body. Since you most likely started smoking gradually, and then progressed to smoking more heavily, it is probably a good idea to quit using the same type of idea. Fighting off an addiction to something like nicotine is something that should taper off, because your brain feels that soothing feeling whenever nicotine enters your system. It is a powerful tool that needs to be let down easy, as it were. An easy way to stop smoking is the nicotine patch, which has been proven by experts as one of the most effective ways to remain a non-smoker for life. What is so great about this method is the dosing of nicotine, as each week you are putting less and less nicotine into the bloodstream, until you are no longer dependent on the stimulant. Your body begins to adapt to the new levels of nicotine, which will prevent fewer cravings in the future. When you stop smoking, the nicotine patch may be accompanied by a lozenge or gum to help you overcome the oral fixation of smoking cigarettes. What people may not realize is that it is not often possible to just cut smoking completely out of your life all at once, especially if you were a heavy smoker. It becomes a habit, and also a part of your routine, whether you realized it or not. It takes great courage to fight off addiction, and stop smoking aids will allow you the chance to rid your life of tobacco and nicotine once and for all. If you choose to quit smoking using patches, you are on the path toward a healthier life free of nicotine dependency. You will be able to rid yourself of smoking without the typical reactions of mood swings, cold sweats, and incredibly strong cravings. While this method does have some drawbacks like mild skin irritation, it does work well. Nothing can be completely effective unless you work hard at it. Don't just rely on stop smoking aids, but rely the most on you.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.